loves, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. Wish you all a very happy new year. I hope ये साल आपका काफ़ी अच्छा जाए. With that, let's start with our very first review of this year, and this one is by the Formula RX. It's their new launch. This one is the Barrier Plus Peptide Ceramide Moisturizer. I have been using this one, and here I am ready with my experience. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Product comes in this tube tin packaging, and I love the packaging of this one. Again, retails for 699 rupees, but you can avail extra 10% as usual with my coupon code, which is Bhavna10. If I talk about the ingredients of this one, this got bunch of humectants including glycerin, propanediol, some good alcohols. We do have sodium hyaluronate, we have panthenol, we do have allantoin, which is very soothing and calming, and some glycols are there. And apart from that, this has some of the moisturizing ingredients which are working as an emollient. Then we do have shea butter in this one, which is working as an occlusive, and then this has a combo of barrier repairing ingredients including 3 of the ceramides, cholesterol, fatty acid, and phytosphingosine. Apart from that, this do have 2 types of peptides in this one. We do have vitamin E and dimethicone as well. So overall, I have loved the ingredient list as the barrier relief one. इसके अंदर सारे ही barrier repairing ingredients हैं, humectants हैं. This do have peptides as well, and I think they have used 2% of peptides in this one. The only con here gonna be for acne prone skin, because this do have shea butter in this one. So अगर आपके skin पे shea butter suit नहीं करता है, then you can avoid this one. If you are a person who is more on a dry side, you can go for this one, and especially they have made this one for the normal to dry skin people. But if you're acne prone, I would say don't go for this one, go for their barrier relief one. That one is perfect for oily combination and acne prone skin. But if you're a dry skin, and even if you feel dryness in the winters, you can try this one out. But again, keep the thing in mind that this do have a shea butter which is comedogenic, and that might clog your pores, and that can give you that close comedons वाला thing. I have tried this one out. मैंने इसको ज़्यादा use नहीं किया है, as you can see, because this do have shea butter, and recently मेरे close comedons का ही issue चल रहा था. That's why मैंने इसको ज़्यादा use नहीं किया. But my husband used this one and he loved it. Now again, the consistency of this one is also not very thick. It's a very light gel cream consistency. Exactly same जो इनकी barrier relief moisturizer है उसकी जैसा ही है, but slightly thicker than that. But it's very light, और आपको बिल्कुल भी heavy चिपचिप feel नहीं होती है. It's super light. It get absorbed quickly into your skin. If you're looking for a peptide and ceramide based moisturizer, you can go for this one. And in case you are planning to get this one, you can avail as usual extra 10% off with my coupon code, which is Bhavna10. So enjoy shopping. Hope you found today's video helpful. If you do, don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I will see you in my next videos, guys. Until then, take care and wish you all a very happy new year.